Yo, what's up everyone? It's Keith, and today we're diving deep into the future of work. But what happens when AI starts taking over some of these roles? We're on the cusp of a massive shift in the workforce. From factory floors to customer service lines, we're about to explore 25 jobs that could be completely transformed by artificial intelligence. Let's get into it. First up, we're talking about jobs that involve a lot of repetition. Think manufacturing and assembly lines. Robots are already making huge moves with faster production, 24/7 work without breaks, and fewer errors. As AI takes over the repetitive stuff, there will be a demand for skilled workers who can manage and maintain these robotic systems. It means we need to adapt. Next up, data entry. AI systems can process and organize massive amounts of data in a fraction of the time it takes a human, with fewer errors and faster processing times. Data entry clerks need to level up their skills to stay relevant. Ever get stuck on hold with customer service? AI chatbots are changing the game. They're available 24/7, handling basic questions, processing returns, and troubleshooting simple issues. For complex issues that require a human touch, we'll always need that personal interaction. But for quick questions, AI is stepping in to make our lives easier. Chapter 4. Telemarketers. AI-powered systems can make calls, deliver scripts, and respond to basic questions. Companies will need people to manage these AI systems, analyze the data, and refine the approach. We're going to see a shift. Chapter 5. Retail cashiers. From self-checkout machines to mobile payment apps, the way we pay for things is rapidly changing. The role of a traditional cashier is evolving, with fewer cashiers needed but a need for staff to manage these automated systems. They will assist customers and keep everything running smoothly. Chapter 6. Transportation drivers. Self-driving cars, autonomous trucks, and delivery drones are on the horizon. Jobs like truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery drivers will gradually shift towards automation. New opportunities will emerge as the industry transforms. Chapter 7. Warehouse and inventory management. Robots can move inventory, sort packages, and manage stock levels with incredible speed and accuracy. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, there will be a growing need for skilled workers to manage these robots and analyze data. We need to adapt. Chapter 8. Bank tellers and financial clerks. ATMs, online banking, and AI-powered financial advisors are changing the way we bank. The role of a bank teller is evolving, with fewer tellers and branches, but a need for financial experts to provide personalized advice. Chapter 9. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI systems can analyze legal documents, conduct research, and draft basic legal documents. Paralegals and legal assistants can focus on more complex tasks that require human judgment and expertise. It's about working smarter, not harder. Chapter 10. Content creation and journalism. AI systems can generate basic news reports, financial summaries, and sports recaps in seconds. Journalists can focus on in-depth reporting, investigative pieces, and stories that require human touch and analysis. Chapter 11. Accountants and auditors. AI excels at number crunching, bookkeeping, and tax preparation, making these processes faster and more accurate. Accountants will need to adapt to using these AI tools, interpreting the data, and providing strategic financial advice. Their roles are evolving. Chapter 12. Insurance underwriters. AI systems can analyze data, assess insurance applications, and detect fraud more efficiently. Underwriters can focus on complex cases, provide personalized advice, and use their expertise to make informed decisions. In the world of business, data is king. AI systems can identify trends, analyze consumer behavior, and provide insights quickly. Analysts can use these AI tools to work smarter, not harder. They can focus on interpreting data, developing strategies, and providing actionable insights. Medical transcriptionists play a vital role in healthcare. But AI is changing the game. AI systems can transcribe recordings from doctors accurately, leading to faster turnaround times and fewer errors. From software manuals to product guides, technical writing requires clarity and accuracy. AI tools can generate technical documentation, create diagrams, and translate information. Writers can focus on creative and strategic aspects like crafting compelling narratives. Chapter 16. Financial Analysts. AI algorithms can analyze market data, identify investment opportunities, and execute trades quickly. Financial analysts need to adapt, combining human expertise with AI's analytical power. The future is about making smarter, more informed investment decisions. Chapter 17. Proofreaders and Editors. AI tools like Grammarly can spot grammatical errors, suggest better word choices, and identify plagiarism. Human proofreaders and editors can focus on the nuances of language, ensuring the writing is clear, concise, and engaging. Chapter 18. Medical Diagnosticians. AI systems can analyze medical images, detect abnormalities, and assist with diagnoses. Doctors have powerful new tools at their disposal. AI helps doctors make faster, more accurate diagnoses, leading to better patient outcomes. Chapter 19. Loan Officers. AI systems can analyze financial data, assess creditworthiness, and automate loan approval processes. Loan officers can focus on providing personalized financial advice and building relationships with clients. Chapter 20. HR Recruiters. AI automates tasks like sifting through resumes, scheduling interviews, and conducting initial screenings. HR professionals can focus on building relationships, assessing cultural fit, and creating a positive candidate experience. Real estate agents. AI powers virtual tours, property recommendations, and automated negotiations. Real estate agents need to adapt to the changing market. The future is about providing personalized service and expert advice. Planning a trip? AI is here to make travel planning a breeze. AI-powered apps find the best deals, create personalized itineraries, and recommend activities. Travel agents need to offer more than just booking flights and hotels. The future is about curating unique travel experiences and providing expert advice. Chapter 23. Financial Traders. AI algorithmic trading systems analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades quickly. Human traders need to combine intuition and experience with AI's speed and efficiency. The future of trading is evolving. Chapter 24. Security Guards. AI-powered security systems monitor footage, detect suspicious activity, and alert authorities in real time. Human security guards can focus on tasks requiring human judgment, like interacting with people and responding to emergencies. Chapter 25. Receptionists. AI-powered virtual assistants can answer phones, schedule appointments, and answer basic questions. Receptionists' roles are evolving to provide a more personalized touch. They assist with complex tasks and create a welcoming environment for visitors. So there you have it, 25 jobs that could be radically transformed by the rise of AI. Imagine a future where AI takes care of repetitive tasks, and humans focus on creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. The future of work is an opportunity to adapt, learn new skills, and embrace AI's possibilities. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. What do you think about AI's impact on the future of work? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all things tech. Until next time.